Myth busted. Stop. Before you spend another dollar on editing software, I need to expose the biggest lie the video editing industry has been selling creators for years. They want you to believe that expensive equals better. That complex means professional. That Hollywood-level effects require Hollywood-level budgets. But what if I told you I just proved them completely wrong? This morning, I took the exact same viral Marvel edit that got 2.8 million views and recreated it using two completely different approaches. One cost me $300 plus per year and took 6 hours to master. The other, under $80, and I was creating cinematic magic in 30 minutes. The results? One of these shocked even me. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at editing software the same way again. Because everything you think you know about creating viral content is about to change. Here's the challenge I'm setting for myself. I'm going to recreate this trending Marvel hero transformation effect using the exact same footage, same music, and I'm giving myself just 45 minutes in each editor. No After Effects, no external plugins, just raw editing power. The viral edit we're recreating includes AI background removal, portal effects, motion tracking, speed ramping, cinematic color grading, and that signature superhero transformation that's been trending everywhere. Now, Premiere Pro is the industry standard. It's what most YouTubers use. It's powerful, but it's also expensive and complicated. Filmora? Well, let's see what this beginner editor can actually do when pushed to its limits. Timer start now. Starting with Premiere Pro. First thing I need is the music synced up. Dragging in the track, manually syncing to beats. Okay, that took about 2 minutes just to get the timing right. Now for the green screen removal. Going to Effects, searching for Ultra Key, adjusting the tolerance. There we go. Not bad, but I had to manually fine-tune the edges. Speed ramping time. Right-click, time interpolation, Bezier curves. This is where Premiere Pro shows its power, but man, it's taking forever to get this smooth transition. Motion tracking the portal effect. Since I can't use After Effects, I'm stuck with Premiere's basic motion tracking. This is rough, having to manually keyframe every position. Color grading with Lumetri. This is where Premiere Pro shines. Professional color wheels, curves, everything I need for that cinematic look. But guys, we're at 35 minutes and I'm barely halfway done. The complexity is slowing me down, even with 8 years of Premiere Pro experience. Filmora editing session, 3 to 4:45. Now let's try the same edit in Filmora. Importing footage, and wow, look at this. Filmora's AI scene cut automatically detected the beat points in my music and suggested cut points. This just saved me 5 minutes right off the bat. Now for background removal. Instead of manual green screen keying, Filmora has AI smart cutout. One click, and it's perfectly removed with edge refinement automatically applied. Speed ramping? There's literally a speed ramp button right here. Drag to create the curve, and it's buttery smooth. What took me 10 minutes in Premiere Pro just took 30 seconds. Now for the portal effect. Go to Elements, Superhero Pack, and there's literally a Marvel-style portal ring ready to go. Drag, drop, position done. Motion tracking? Filmora's planar tracking is actually incredible. It's tracking the subject automatically, and I can attach any element to follow the movement perfectly. AI color match is giving me that superhero movie look with one click. But I can still fine-tune with professional color wheels if I want. Wait, there's an AI music generator too? It just created a custom superhero-themed track that matches my video length automatically. Guys, I finished with 15 minutes to spare, and honestly, the result looks more professional than my Premiere Pro version. Results comparison, 4:45 to 5:30. Okay, let's see the results.
La vida es un carrusel, la vida es un carrusel.
Same footage, same concept. Both editors pushed to their limits in 45 minutes. The Premiere Pro version, clean, professional, but you can see I ran out of time. The motion tracking is a bit choppy. The speed ramps could be smoother, and I didn't have time for advanced effects. The Filmora version, smoother motion, better effects integration, more polished overall. Let's talk about why Filmora crushed this challenge. It's not just about ease of use anymore. Filmora has genuine AI-powered tools that compete with Hollywood-level software. AI portrait cutout works on any background, not just green screens. I tested it with complex backgrounds, multi-camera editing for those complex viral TikTok trends. Filmora handles up to 4 angles seamlessly with automatic sync. And the key framing system? It's actually more intuitive than Premiere Pro's, with automatic curve, smoothing, and motion blur. Premiere Pro, $263.88 per year. Filmora, $79.99 per year, 67% less. The price difference is insane. Filmora costs 67% less than Premiere Pro annually, and you get these AI features that aren't even available in Adobe's suite. But wait, there's more. Filmora just integrated VO 3's image-to-video technology. This means I can generate custom video clips from just a text description or image. I uploaded this static superhero pose, typed hero flying through clouds, and Filmora generated a 5-second video clip that I used in my edit. This is next-level content creation, from generation to editing, all in one platform.